but we're going to try to present this like a PowerPoint or Prezi presentation just using Enscape and our added scenes. So this is the Ifugao hut. In the Ifugao hut, we're going to learn the parts. Bubong, you know that, the roof. Ambuburan, the rafters. Taknang, the timber. Bughol, pumpitoran. Bagad, pundapuran, the fireplace. Hagpo, and tukod, the post. Kuling. My favorite part will be this one called the haripan. This actually prevents rats and, pests from climbing up. That's why you don't see the ladder here, because it's inside for now. Let's look at another drawing that might be a bit more sectional. Okay, let's go. And then atop, or the roof. The bubong, also part of the roof, but more of the vertex. Ambuburan, ibat, bughor, hukrob, gaob, mundirig, kuring, haripan. Remember haripan, it's a very prominent feature as well as the shape. Tukod, hagpo, yadotar, gawaan. This is especially where the stairs are placed. Mundirig, gaob, part of the wall. Pamadingan, wanan, bagat, pati, patie, pumpitoran, taknang, atop. Yeah, so usually you have a fireplace as well inside this, where you put the fire below and the wood, or I mean the harvested rice above for the smoke. So it's basically a sleeping space. Most of them don't really have extra walls for bedrooms. So let's try to use Enscape to go in. Okay, this is the floor plan. It's the hut, or like it's chimney style. A, palan. Usually we put our rice harvests here as well. So depending on the type of place you're going to in Ifugao, you can see different sizes and different variety of, decor as well outside. Sometimes they have hanging skeletons during special occasions for the dead, or the skull of the carabao, or any hunting, trophy that they have. So let's go to see this commercial. Oh, wait, what is this? Bring us to scene 4, please. Oh yeah, scene 4. So this is a wood carved bike. Very nice, yeah. So that's just a play mode of transpo. That's not the main transpo, but it's known to show their arts and crafts. So ito kaya nan wooden bike da. Oh, huh? Look at that. It's non-motorized because the roads are actually very nice. Most of them are cemented now, and they're usually winding around the rice terraces, or should have been known as the 8th wonder of the world. So this is an example of the fare, bale, or the Ifugao hut. So we can see the haripan here. Usually we have like chickens below. We have the staircase that you can move above, put inside. And you have the very iconic shape. They say that Baguio Convention Center also adopted the roofing shape of this. Others extended upwards. And also outside we have furniture known as hagabi, aside from our rice pounding craft. So this Ifugao hagabi are actually like traditional and ceremonial benches, wood carved. Rice is one as the most prestigious bench, as the most expensive Filipino artifact in one museum. Wow, $460,000, equivalent to 22 million pesos, during a recent Leon Gallery Kingly Treasure auction, according to the Philippine Star last 2020. That is our Ifugao hut. So remember this, tukod, haripan, ibat. The ambubulan is actually inside. Atop, yeah, you can remember the word atop, which means like top. Atop. Atop, basically on top or above. So nan atop. So dakayo an kaelian. Yeah, aamod. Ito nan Ifugao hut ako. Mayat, di ba mayat? Oh, huh? This is kind of smaller than the usual. Okay, so that's it.